Welcome viewers. Today I'll be showing you sweet, pleasant moments of 12 bird species. So stay connected from the beginning to the end. Today I'll be showing you amazing moments of 12 bird species. So come with me. It's early in the morning and the birds are busy feeding. They are really active in the bushes. You can hear their calls and songs. So just come. Oh, there's a Zanzibar red bishop right there. Oh, there's a Harlequin Queen over there. A Harlequin Quail, it's calling down there. That bush over there, it's in the marshes. So you can see there. But it's really difficult to take a photo of this. It's very shy. So you have to be quiet and be careful. A slight disturbance will just fly off. So it's right in the bush. That's a Harlequin Quail. Such a big millipede. Crowned Chagra over there, being blown by wind. You can see the black crown. BlackCrowned Chagra calling there. Black-headed oriole. It's now in the open. This is the sulphur-breasted bushshrike over there. With a very nice sulphur color there on the breast. Beautiful bird. This is a grey-headed bushshrike over there. The drongos are chasing him away, as you can see there. It's being chased away by Peter's twin spot. This is the pied cuckoo. It's got a spiky crest, as you can see there. Red-billed oxpecker. This is an immature red-billed oxpecker, you can see there. The wings are not really strong to fly. African bare-eyed thrush. The light is not very good. I am against the light. Black cuckoo shrike. This is the female. Black cuckoo shrike. To conserve birds and their habitats, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.